winter, up to spring. Jesus, maker of them all. Okay, so hello YouTube, you're welcome to Branch Piano Tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to play Summer, Winter, up to Spring, and I'm going to be showing you in the key of C sharp, and it's a very simple progression because they're just 4 keys. So the first progression is the 1, the second the 6, the 4, the 5, sorry, and the 4. So we go Summer, Winter, up to Spring. Jesus, my God, of them all. Everywhere I go, I see your light. Okay, so I'll give you a breakdown for the keys. So on the key of C sharp, that's the first key, there's 1. Using number system, we have the 1, the 3, and the 5. That's the do, mi, and the so. On the second key, which is the la, or the 6, we have the do, we have the mi, and we have the la, or the 1, 3, 6. On the third key, which is the so, or the 5, we have the ti, re, and the so, or the 7, the 2, and the 5. And on the last key, which is the 4, we have the 1, the 4, and the 6, or the do, the fa, and the so. And on my left hand, when I'm on the first key, I just play an octave. That's C, do, so, do. And then on the 6th key, I play la, mi, la. On the 5th key, I play the so, re, so. And the last key, the fa, play the fa, do, fa. So I'm going to play the song one more time, and as you practice. Summer, winter, up to spring. Jesus, maker of them all.